welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about cool in science mixtures. There are two kinds, homogeneous and heterogeneous. First, homogeneous. This is a mixture that looks the same everywhere. For example, salt mixed in water. You can see the salt, but it's there. Now let's look at the heterogeneous. This one is a spot because you can see the different parts. For example, a fruit salad. You can see the apple, grape, and bananas. So remember, homogeneous look the same and heterogeneous different parts. That's all for Science Vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!